Right. So now we talk about food poisoning a little bit, so we understand. Food poisoning is what is caused by pathogen. Pathogens are what? Other microorganisms, especially bacteria. Other bacteria that make us sick when we intake a certain number. Especially if the pathogen grow a lot in food and we eat that food, we may get sick, and this is called food poisoning. And there are two types of food poisoning: infection and intoxication. Try to distinguish between the two terms: infection, intoxication. Infection is what? When we consumer eat food containing live pathogen. Okay. When the pathogen are still alive in the food, not necessary to be in large number, when we eat them in, they will grow in our digestion system and then they will make us sick. Intoxication is not the same in a way that we eat the food containing toxin produced by pathogen, means that the pathogen grow in food and they produce toxin. Toxin I see the chemical from the pathogen they produce, and then we are sick by the toxin. So at the time of consumption, maybe they died already. The pathogen died already or present at uh, low numbers already. But we are sick by the toxin that they make. So it depends. Okay. So most of the case, intoxication, the incubation time is shorter. Incubation time là thời gian ủ bệnh. That the time from the intake of contaminated food until getting sick is normally shorter because we are sick by the toxin. When the incubation time is shorter, then it's easier to identify the source. Okay, mình sẽ dễ nhận diện được cái nguồn lây nhiễm hơn. So if we just eat something and after 2 hours we get sick, then we may guess correctly that from what we just ate 2 hours ago. But in case if we eat something and we get sick after 5 days, then it's not easy anymore to trace back what is the source food.